Are you craving for some comfort food and lutong bahay like pancit canton and bok choy with loaded of toppings? Then this video is for you. Presenting Nanay Tessie's bok choy yan and pancit canton toppings. Located at CM Cabajo Street, Look, Mandaue, Cebu City near UCLM. They started their business since 2008 and until now, booming gyapon kailahang negosyo. And as a matter of fact, almost 300 pieces na pancit canton ang ilang mahurot every single day. And ang ilang bestseller ka ang lapas bok choy and pancit canton topping. And ang nakayunik sa ilang negosyo kay ang ilang pancit canton kay loaded of ingredients na asya shredded pork, chicharon, cabbage, and of course, the pancit canton itself. Ang price sa ilahang pancit canton and bok choy is 55 pesos only, and it is worth trying. And shout out sa ilang amazing staff na grabe ka-accommodating. And of course, we tried their pancit canton and lapas bok choy. Lami kailahang bok choy, how I wish na asay atay, kay ganahan mo ko atay na part, but lami sa dilahang pancit canton. Me and my friends enjoy the food so much and we will definitely go back to this place again. And if nangita kag barato na comfort food, visit them and salamat sa pagtanaw.